Hello learners, welcome to Hortimance channel. Do subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. If you want this video in Tamil, please click the link in description. In this video, we are going to see the grafted brinjal field and its cultivation practices. Okay, now let's get into the video. Good day to all. The one which you are seeing here is grafted brinjal field. This field is located at Udanapalli near Hosur in Tamil Nadu. This is sun-grow green long variety and it is also called white long. This is grafted on Hortimance Hortria turkey berry. Turkey berry is the rootstock and you can graft any variety of brinjal and tomato onto turkey berry plants. These plants are 3 months old and I'm going to show you 5 months old plants in this video. So please watch until end, and if you want grafted brinjal, tomato and chili plants, please contact the numbers which is shown in the screen. These plants are planted in the spacing of row to row 8 feet and plant to plant 4 feet. And this is 5 months old plants, and in 5 months the plants are grown like this, and it is skeptical whether it has the row to row spacing of 8 feet. But you are clearly seeing the spacing between plants in the beginning of this video. These grafted plants produce more side branches, spreads well and grow like a tree. Whereas ordinary plants produce less branches and they grow straight. The advantages of cultivating grafted plants is grafted plants are resistant to wilt and nematodes, and they have good resistance to pest and diseases. If plants are infected with wilt, the xylem vessels in the roots get blocked and eventually the plant leaves droops and slowly they will die. And if plants are infected with nematodes, the roots get knots, and due to this, the plant's growth will be stunted and they will give very less yield. But this is not happens in grafted plants, and also the grafted plants will have more life duration. The reason why the grafted plants perform well is we will change the root system of plants using the wild rootstocks having resistance to pests and diseases. So, while grafting, we will remove the root system of ordinary plants and replace with the root system of wild plants. You can maintain this grafted brinjal plants up to 2 years. The plants will reach its maximum height at 8th or 9th month of planting. So after that, you can prune them and again you can grow them another 8 months. Coming to grafted tomato plants, they will survive additional 1.5 months and give 30% additional yield. And these grafted brinjal will produce more flowers and all of them will set into fruits. Hence, you have to give more fertilizers and water to them to get the good shape, size and yield. And these grafted plants will give double yield compared with normal plants. And if you plant in the spacing of row to row 8 feet and plant to plant 4 feet, they will accommodate 1,500 to 1,600 plants per acre, and you will get 40 to 60 tons of yield in 1 year. Flower dropping is very less in grafted brinjal. All flowers will set into fruits and all fruits will get good size and length. See here, totally 8 flowers are set into fruits and all the fruits are getting good length and shining. Same things will happen in all varieties of brinjal like Ujala, Dhruva, Simran, Parul. The grafted brinjal will produce more branches and fruits. Hence, you should stake the plants and need to tie the branches of the plants using jute threads. Otherwise, the branches will fall down due to fruit's weight. See here how the fruits are set here. Fruits are bearing in clusters. This is the magic of grafting. We harvest this green long brinjal every 8 days once. This field is totally 80 cents area and it accommodated totally 980 plants which is planted in the spacing of 4 into 8 feet. And from this field we are getting minimum yield of 1 ton and maximum yield of 3 tons in a single harvest. At the same time, if you plant in 1 acre, totally 1,500 to 1,600 plants will accommodate if you plant in the spacing of 4 into 8 feet, and you will get minimum yield of 5 tons and maximum yield of 4 tons. And if you get minimum price of 20 rupees in market, you can easily make 30,000 to 1 lakh turnover in 1 month in 1 acre. In case of grafted tomato plants, they will grow well, have good resistance to wilt and nematodes, gives fruits in even size which is suitable to markets. And also they will have good resistance to viruses. I will give complete cultivation practices of grafted tomato plants in my next video. And if you want grafted brinjal, tomato and chili plants, please contact to the numbers shown in the screen. These plants are delivered from Hosur, Tamil Nadu. If plants are readily available, they will give immediate delivery or else it will take 40 days to deliver. and you need to book that by paying advance. If you have any doubts, please comment down. And now I'll end this video and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.